Hey everyone, you are watching JavaScript for Beginners lesson 12. This keyword in JavaScript is a very tricky topic. First, let's simply log this keyword and see what we get. As you can see here, we just got the output window object. This simply contains everything you need to know about the window object. And since we have placed this on the global scope, it simply points the window object. But what if we place this inside an object? Let's place it over here and let's simply run this command Kaarthik.calcage, which is nothing but this function. Let's save this file. In this case, this keyword simply points to the object Kaarthik. So what is the use of this? As you can see here, we just got a function called calcage where we want to calculate the age. Let's say we need these two values, current year and date of birth, to get the age. In this case, we can simply use this keyword which points this particular object and get those values. How can we do that? We can simply do this by saying that this dot current year minus this dot date of birth. This will simply gives us the age which we want. Now let's simply save this and check the output. As you can see here, we just got the output 21. So we simply access the data using the same dot notation with the help of this keyword, because this keyword simply points the object Kaarthik. So it's common that an object needs to access the information that is being stored inside an object. In this case, the calcage function, which simply uses the value, date of birth and current year using this keyword. So this is how this keyword works inside an object. Let's say that we have a function, say hi, and let's simply say hi followed by this keyword, and let's verify what we get when we log this or when we run this function. As you can see here, we just again got the output hi followed by the window object. So even inside a function, this keyword will simply point to the window object as it is placed in the global context. So these are the three things which you need to remember in order to play around with this keyword. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video.